Two of the all-purpose cleaners that I have are Awesome and Mr. Clean Freak. They work for just about everything. They're really good for wiping down surfaces and cleaning things up. You can use it in your kitchen. You can use it for surfaces. You can also use it to clean your bathroom as well. Of the two, I would recommend Mr. Clean Freak because this one is simpler to use. Awesome, you'll have to dilute before you're able to use it. But this one you can just use right away. So for me, when I clean, I usually clean in a variety of ways. So the first thing I like to do when I clean, I like to use gloves because I don't like to get chemicals directly on my hands. So I would recommend you buy a pair of gloves. These are like reusable gloves. I have separate gloves for when I clean my kitchen and when I clean my bathroom. So because I'm in the kitchen, I'll use a pair of kitchen gloves. So I'll put my gloves on. And then I'm going to wipe down my counter. So when you use these types of sprays, it's better if you spray directly on the surface that you're trying to wipe down. So I'm going to spray directly on the surface that I'm going to wipe down to my counter. You can use a cloth, preferably a damp or dry cloth. It just depends on what you want to use. I prefer paper towels because they're disposable. I feel like cloths kind of build up more germs, so I prefer a paper towel, but you use whatever works for you. So I'll take the my paper towel and I'll wipe off the all-purpose cleaner. And then as I go from surface to surface, I'll change paper towels. So this is how you clean your counters. I'm also going to wipe down a few of my doorknobs to show you how that works as well. So follow me. We'll go this way. I use this closet often, so I'll wipe down this doorknob as well, because I just want to, like I said, you want to limit the spread of germs. And then as well as like the front door, because this is like my most common point of contact. So I'll wipe down the knob and also wipe down the little lock as well. And then you can do this for all your surfaces. Same thing works. You can use this in your bathroom. You can use it to wipe down your bathroom counter. If you have other questions about cleaning, like more in depth, feel free to reach out to me. My email is yealy@chumb.edu. And I hope this is helpful.